Very good morning, 8th class students. So today I am going to explain about simple interest. Listen well. Simple interest is a quick and easy method of calculation on loan or borrowed amount. So, what is the formula to find the simple interest? I is equal to PPR by 100. What is the meaning of P? P is nothing but principal amount or borrowed amount. R is equal to rate of interest and T is equal to time period. You are taking 2 years time or 3 years time, that is nothing but time period. Rate of interest means 2%, 3%, 4%, okay, and total amount. So after the time duration, how much you have to pay to that person? That is nothing but total amount. What is the formula to find total amount? Principal amount plus interest. P plus PTR by 100. Here I am taking P as a common. Then after 1 plus RT by 100. So after taking the LCM, what is the formula to find total amount? A is equal to P bracket 100 plus RT by 100. So students, here is a question on simple interest. A sum of 2500. A sum of 2500 is borrowed at the rate of 12%. Here what is the borrowed amount? 2500. This borrowed amount is called the principal amount. So P is equal to 2500 rupees at the rate of 12%. What is the rate of interest? 12%. So R is equal to rate of interest. How much? 12% per annum. He is paying the interest per annum. Annum means year. For 3 years. So he took the amount for 3 years. And is paying 12% interest on the amount year on this sum and interest. Okay. And also the amount to be paid after 3 years. So after 3 years, by adding the interest, how much amount he has to pay? You have to find that. See here, T is equal to time duration, 3 years. First you have to find the interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. P means 2500 into 3 into 12 by 100. 0 cancel. 25 into 12 is how much? 36. 25 into 36. How much that is? 900 rupees. So for 3 years he has to pay 900 rupees. Okay. And total amount he has to pay after 3 years. After 3 years, A is equal to P plus I. P means principal amount to 2500. So after 3 years, what is the interest here? 900. So 2500 plus 900 is equal to 3400. So he has to pay 3400 rupees after 3 years. Or we can use that formula also. A is equal to P plus 100 plus RT by 100. We can use this formula also. P means 2500. 100 plus RT means 12 into. R means rate of interest. 12 into 3 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. So 25 into 100. 12 is 36. 136 is equal to 3400 rupees. So after 3 years he has to pay 3400 rupees including interest. So in simple interest, principal amount not changed by year. Next, very important, compound interest. Compound interest is the interest you earn on interest. For example, one person, he deposited 1,000 rupees in a bank. He deposited 1,000 rupees in a bank. Okay. So after 1 month, maybe interest of the 1,000 rupees nothing but 10 rupees. So that is nothing but 1,010. So first month principal amount is 1,000. To second month principal amount is 1,010. So mainly banks, they are giving house loans, etc. They can calculate compound interest. So you are gaining the interest on principal amount and also on interest. See, compound interest is the interest you earn on interest. So you are gaining the amount on interest. It's money you earn on the money. For example, here, see here, compound interest is important because you are earning twice, once on the principal amount and once on the interest. See here, 1,000 rupees. First you are earning the interest on principal amount. To next year you are earning the interest on principal amount and also on interest. Because of this, compound interest is very important. In simple interest, principal amount not changes. But in compound interest, principal amount changes every year or every month or every half year. Okay. See, first 1,000 deposited. What is the interest? 10 rupees. So after 1 year, he gained the interest 10 rupees. So to next year, principal amount is not 1,000. It is 1,010. So you are gaining the interest on principal amount and also on interest. So because of this, compound interest is very important. See, what is the formula to find sum in compound interest? P bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. What is the meaning of n? Time duration. You are taking yearly or half yearly or monthly. That is nothing but n. P bracket 100 plus R by 100 whole power n. So this is the story of the compound interest. Here question: what will be the amount and the compound interest? What will be the amount and the compound interest if 5,000 rupees? That 5,000 rupees is nothing but principal amount. What is the principal amount here? 5,000 rupees. And R is nothing but rate of interest. How much it is? 8%. And N is equal to time duration, that is nothing but 2 years. Now you have to find what is the amount gaining after 2 years and also what is the compound interest you have to find. What is the formula? A is equal to P bracket 100 plus R by 100 whole power n. A is equal, what is the principal amount here? 5,000. So 5,000 into 100 plus, what is the rate of interest? 8 by 100 whole power 2. So it is 5,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. 0 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. Similarly, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 fives are, 2 fours are. It is nothing but 54 into 108. So after the calculation, what is that? 54 into 108. By multiplying that, you will get the answer 5,832 rupees. So he is gaining 5,830 rupees after 2 years. Then what is the compound interest here? How much he gained the interest? Compound interest is equal to, what is the total amount? 5,832 minus 5,000 is equal to 832. So he gained 832 rupees as a interest. Here, calculate the compound interest on 1,000 rupees. Here, what is the principal amount of 1,000 rupees? P is equal to 1,000 rupees over a period of 1 year. What is the time period here? 1 year. At a 10% per annum. Interest is compounded half yearly. So every half year he has to pay the interest. So in 1 month, how many half years? 2 half years. as interest is compounded half yearly, so that there will be two conversions, first half year interest and also second half year interest. So P is equal, what is the rate of interest? R is equal to 10%, and time duration first time taking half year. Why? Because he is paying the interest half year and also half year. There will be two conversions. So P is equal to, I is equal to PTR by 100. P means principal amount 1000 into T means half into 10 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 10s are 50 rupees. So what is the interest to first half year? 50 rupees. So A is equal to P plus I is equal to 1000 plus 50 is equal to 1050 rupees. So after half year, what is the total amount he has to pay? That is nothing but to next half year principal amount. This is principal amount to next half year. Next half year. What is the principal amount of P is equal to 1050 rupees and R is equal to 10%. And time duration T is equal to next half year. I is equal to PTR by 100. P means 1050 into 1 by 2 into 10 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 52.5 rupees. So after 1 year he is gaining the amount P plus I is equal to, what is the principal amount here? 1050 plus 52.5 is equal to 11,052.5 rupees. Then what about the compound interest? So he is gaining two times, first half year interest and also second half year interest. What is the first half year interest here? 50 rupees. And the second half year interest is 52.5. So total he is gaining 102.5 rupees on two conversions. Sorry, 11,000. Okay. What is the compound interest here? 50 plus 52.5. So this 50 is nothing but first half year interest. This 52.5 is nothing but second half year interest. So because of that, in compound interest, principal amount is changes to every half year. Here interest is compounded half yearly. So first half year principal amount is 1000. Next half year principal amount is 1050.